Hello and welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you have forgotten your iPhone passcode, entered it incorrectly too many times, and now the device is showing an iPhone unavailable screen, it's a frustrating situation, but don't panic. There are still ways to fix it. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to unlock your iPhone without the passcode. There are three main methods we can use to resolve this issue. The first method is unlocking your iPhone using a previous passcode. This option usually works on iOS 17 or later. After entering the wrong passcode too many times, you may see a Forgot Passcode option appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll be given the option to enter the previous passcode that was used on the device. If you still remember it, simply enter that passcode. You'll then be prompted to create and confirm a new passcode, after which your iPhone will unlock. At this point, you'll have full access to your device again. If this option doesn't appear on your iPhone, move on to the next method. The second method is the official approach using iTunes. If you've previously synced your iPhone with iTunes or Finder on a Mac, you may be able to restore it. Connect the iPhone to the computer you synced with. You'll need to place the device into recovery mode. The button combination for entering recovery mode depends on the iPhone model, but in most cases, it involves quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button, then holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. And iTunes should display an option to restore it. This process will erase the device, reinstall the latest firmware, and remove the existing passcode, allowing you to set the iPhone up again. You can then restore your data from an iCloud or iTunes backup. However, this method only works if the device was previously synced with that computer and if Find My iPhone is turned off. This brings us to the third and most widely effective method, using a professional unlock tool called PassFab, iPhone Unlock. This software is specifically built to handle situations like this. Use the links in the video description to download and install it on a Windows or Mac computer. Launch the program and choose the Unlock iOS screen option. Then connect your disabled iPhone using a USB cable. The software will provide clear, step-by-step visual instructions showing how to enter recovery mode for your specific iPhone model, which makes the process much easier. Once the iPhone is in recovery mode and detected by the software, click Download to get the latest firmware. After that, select Start to Remove to begin the unlocking process. This will completely wipe the device, including the forgotten passcode. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart and display the initial setup screen. This method is the most reliable way to regain access to a disabled iPhone when no other options are available. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.